Oh, hello everyone. I'm making some shanks here. I'm going to braise some shanks. I'm going to show you how to do it. Really easy. This is lamb shanks, and those are bell peppers and onions, and I sauteed them in a little bit of salt and pepper. Well, they're seasoned with salt and pepper, and then I just added a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I might add a little bit more. I'm going to add some crimini mushrooms to it. So I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more of the extra virgin olive oil. Okay. I'm going to put that down real quick so we can see what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to add the crimini mushrooms. Okay. Nice crimini mushrooms. Okay, add a little bit more salt to that. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, and then I'll go ahead and stir that up a little bit. I want to get those mushrooms sauteed a little bit. Okay. And there's plenty of fond in there. So, and then what I'm going to go ahead and do, just saute them lightly. That's all. I'm going to add some chicken stock, or whatever kind of stock, and bring that up to a hard boil. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and season it. At this point, I go ahead and I seasoned it. I'm going to put my little bit of oregano in. That's Greek oregano with some mint leaves in that. It's going to give that little bit of Mediterranean flavor. That's about a teaspoon once it's crushed up. And then my favorite, I'm going to go ahead and put 21 seasonings on that. And that's about what, teaspoon and a half. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that's my marinara sauce here. Let's see, where'd it go? Okay. Add a little bit of marinara sauce. You don't have to add, but I'm just going to add just a little bit. Remember that tomato sauce, it elevates the flavors 8 times, which gives it a nice umami. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring that to a hard boil, and then I'm going to cover it up. Yeah, I figured, what a way to start the new year, right? I mean, some people don't like the beef, so lamb is a nice alternative. It's really nice. It's delicious. So you allow that to braise for a little bit, and then I'll show you the other clip. What I'm going to do along with that. So I'm going to make some greens with that, some collard greens, and braise them along with that. So it'll be a mixture of collard greens and some ham hocks. But I'm going to wait until this cooks. It's probably going to be about, I don't know, about a half hour to 45 minutes until it's fork tender. So I'm going to cover it up, lower the heat on that, lower the heat, and allow it to simmer slowly. Okay, and I'll be back.